show you how I live. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them all, pull them down just a little bit. Kissing and touching a little bit. Hit the lick in it in a little bit. And you got me feeling right, you heard me. My mama called, you can spend the night, you heard me. I ain't playing, I'm trying to tonight, you heard me. Clothes off, face down, ass up, come on.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me.
Oh wow. I'm looking for the
cloud comfort. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Babani. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and guys, thank you for watching the ads. Yeah, really means so much to me. Guys, I'm back. I've been off YouTube. The last time I recorded was in January, and then in February I decided to take a break because you know, I was working the whole year last year, and then December I took leave for a week, which I didn't even rest because I was like doing the YouTube content and preparing for my trip. And then January I went back to work. I was still working on my YouTube thing, and I was still preparing for my trip, so I was so busy. So in February I was just so tired and I decided to rest. Okay, now while I was resting I somehow ended up being in my feelings. And to cut the long story short, I was in a relationship, and then last year in March, the person I was in a relationship with, they relocated to another country. So in March I was just eventually going through it, because somehow I was fine, you know, I was fine the whole time. But now I started realizing that no, I'm not. But I'm so glad to be back. I'm glad that I'm fine, and yeah, let's do this YouTube thing. I'm so excited to be back, guys. I will never ever take that like a long break from YouTube again, because now getting back I could record, like there's a lot of footage that I was recording that I couldn't bring myself to talk, like to stand in front of the camera and talk, because it's something I didn't do for a long time. But I'm so glad to be back now. Welcome to a new vlog. This is gonna be a home vlog, and I want to show you guys what I got. I got a coffee machine finally. There we go. My coffee machine, guys. I am so excited. I've been wanting to get a coffee machine because I love coffee. I love coffee so much, and I felt like I'm always buying coffee. You know, maybe I could save by making my own coffee at home. So here's it. I bought this coffee machine though a long time ago, but I told myself I'm not gonna open it until I go back on YouTube. So it was like a motivation for me to finally open the camera and start talking, because I was motivated to vlog things, take videos of things, but I just didn't have it in me to, you know, talk. So yeah, let's unbox.
Who hit the plug and his cups full of jealous? We in the bag and we bugging the TI. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the beat. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows that she gets down just like it goes. She's not always shy, so this bad, watch her blow up. She gets away.
Guys, I'm so excited for my coffee machine. So I didn't buy the one. Okay, let me plug it first. I got this coffee machine on Checker 6060. They are running a special. I got it for 2K, and the special is valid till the 13th of April. So the normal price is 3,400 rands, and then I got it for 2K. And then the milk frother was sold out, so I decided to buy this one. Oh, this one because I couldn't wait to, because the plan was to buy it on that day and make my first cup of coffee that day. I didn't think I'd wait for, you know, I didn't think I'd wait for me to be back on YouTube. But yeah, guys, let me see. Guys, I can't believe that I can just order a coffee machine on Checker 6060 and it's gonna be delivered. Like, you know, you can order anything. Yeah, it's amazing. Ooh. So here's the milk frother. Very similar to the Nespresso one, but obviously not the same. Okay. Okay, and it's very small, but I'm not complaining because I don't think I'll need a big one anyway. And then, yeah, it comes with a base. And this one was 400 rands, 500 rands, yes. I think I'll use it and see. If I don't like it, I'll buy the Nespresso one. Okay, so I think I might eventually buy it, but we'll see. And then standard procedure, when you buy, you get, guys, I'm sweating a lot because it's hot and the door is closed because I don't want any noise. As I always mention, I stay next to the highway, so if I open my, there we go. I stay next to the highway, so there's a lot of car noises. I love it. I can't wait to try all of these. I really can't wait. Really can't wait. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it from me. You know what we can do now is to now place the coffee machine where it's supposed to be and test it out. I just need to choose the flavor that I want. I don't want anything strong. You know what? It's okay. Let's do that.
She just turned 25. She wanna roll with young niggas like raw with the clan, hard with the clan. She said, swear I just saw it. Swear I just saw it. If this what she wanna be, God, she can have it away. Oh, no, no. Yeah. No, baby, you can have it your way.
Guys, I don't know how to put the coffee machine yet, but on Take a Lot, I did see a stand that I like. Yeah, it's a stand with a drawer. I think a lot of people with these coffee machines, they have that stand, and then on the drawers you can put the pods. You can pack them nicely. So I'm gonna order that, and then on my next vlog we are going to organize and make it look cute. For now, what we're going to do is test out the machine and see if it's working, guys. I'm so happy to be recording myself again. It feels so good and I love it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy young and private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, take me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been. When you do it, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. True on the scene. Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of you.
Okay, I don't know what is the colors indicating. I think it's gonna be hot.
I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone.
Okay, I messed this one up. I put a lot of milk.
No one's here. You know what you get is good.
It does look frothy.
You refuse, let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up in my life.
Oh, much better. I did switch on the lights. I hope you guys can see me. Because it's getting dark and it's not even that late. It's almost 6. Just that my apartment is showing me flames. I don't know why is another winter going to find me here. Because last year winter I was really struggling with YouTube. Because I'd get home while it's dark. And then I'd leave the house when it's dark. My place was always dark, but I'm not ready to move. So yeah, guys, this looks good. It has some foam. Yeah, let me make the coffee and let's see. I love the fact that ugh, I hope I'm not too close. I love the fact that I have a lot of flavors to choose from, and then I'm gonna know, you know, vanilla custard pie. I'm gonna know which one I like and which one I don't like, I guess. I hate having to choose. I really hate it. Double espresso for milk. Phew. So hot. Oh, okay, I can see. So they put them, you see, according to the legend, that's how they put them. Now I'm just confusing myself. When I went to At Home, I did try the vanilla one. It was so nice. So choosing is not easy, yes. Let's just take the first one. Yo, but it's so strong. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one, the last one. It's Colombia. And I'm gonna use a clear thingy so that we can see. On a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have it, place on it. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have it, place on it. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Feel good, but it doesn't have flavor, and it's so nice. Okay, nice. Let me put some honey, some for the taste. Guys, even the frother is not bad. Like, look at that foam. If you love foam, it works. It really works. I think if I decide to get the Nespresso one, it will be for aesthetics, because my machine must match. But otherwise, this is good. Guys, let me sit down, enjoy my coffee. I am so happy that I finally opened this vlog. I'll vlog again tomorrow. I have something, to show you again. Some exciting home update. I don't know if it's exciting for you guys, but for me, I am so excited, Part of the things I was thinking about when I was, in my little break was change. Like, I did mention this on my channel last year, that sometimes I feel like selling everything and starting over. I feel like, just starting over. I feel like changing. Like, I don't want to move, but I feel like selling all my furniture and like having new furniture. And this year, that is my goal. Obviously, it's not something that's going to happen just like that, but baby steps. So guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I decided to change the setup of this machine.
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it, got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder lean. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm finna go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love me. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me. I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way. And mine away. I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Tell you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Serving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I'm about to big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money, there is nobody, ain't nobody around me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's I wanna be with you, 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 me just love me.
Hi guys, it's another day of this vlog. So I got new mattress. So yeah guys, let's unbox it together. It came with a huge box. One thing about Cielo guys, they will bring you a huge box, but the delivery guys were so nice to like take out the mattress out of the box. And yeah. Okay, so at Cielo they're running a 21-day sale, and I bought this. I always wanted to have this cloud comfort mattress, and yeah, I decided to get one for myself as part of changing my furniture. So this year I want to change my furniture. Like by the end of this year I want to have everything new in the house. So this is the first thing I'm starting with. I am so excited to try it out. It's more on the softer side. So I used to be a back sleeper. I used to sleep on my back or like with my stomach, so I was advised to buy a firmer mattress. But now I see that my sleeping habits have changed. I'm now a side sleeper. So if you're a side sleeper, you need a softer bed so that it can contour your body, you know. So that's what I went for now, and I'm so excited. Also I got a pillow. Let me show you guys. So I got this pillow. Guys, I've been using this pillow for a week or 2 weeks. Is it a week or 2 weeks? It's so comfortable. I put it back in the packaging today so that, you know, I can show it to you guys properly with the name and everything. So there we go. I am so excited about it, and I'm thinking of buying another one, but for now I only bought one. It was also one of the things that were on special for, yeah, but they have a lot of specials there for 21 days. So guys, if you're a Cielo fan, please go check it out. Let me plug you. The mattress was so affordable compared to the original price. I think the original price was like 8k or 9k, and then I got it for 5 point something. So you could imagine, like, I saved so much. Even on this pillow, I got it for 400 and something, but it was way more than that. I don't remember because the pillow was something I just decided to buy when I was at the shop. But guys, let me not talk too much. Let's put my new mattress.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground.
Oh my gosh, I need help. Okay, let me try.
Garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Yo, what an effort. But yeah, I'm so glad tonight I'm gonna have a very, very, very beautiful sleep. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna take a shower and sleep now. Okay, I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. But that's it for me for today. What did I want to say? Oh, let me show you how beautiful my bed looks. And the mattress is high. Like, oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's like I'm gonna sleep on clouds. And you know, guys, I don't know how to iron. So guys, yeah, that's how the bed looks like. I'm not good at ironing, so I guess I need to buy a steamer because I never iron my bedding. But imagine, new mattress, new pillow. Okay, I've been sleeping with the pillow. New clean bedding. Oh, I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. I'll catch you guys. I think this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I promise to be consistent, guys, moving forward. Yeah, I'm so glad I took the break also. I think I did deserve a bit of a break. And now that I'm back, I'm back. We are back in business. So don't forget to like, share, comment. I really do appreciate all of that, guys. Thank you so much.
You know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. You know